What's up everyone, Addicted to Nature here, and I'm really excited to do this video because today I'm going to be showing you what I have in my 30-gallon tank. So as you can see, I've got some Elodia growing up towards this aquarium hood light, and I've got a pair of angelfish in here. They're both in the back. The black one's the female and the really silver one is the male, but he looks kind of stressed out right now, so we'll leave him alone. Right in front of him is the, what do I have? Oh my god, what's it called? Oh, Anubias. And got my Java Fern, I've got some moss, I've got an Amazon sword here. And then in the back, I do have a sponge zip tied over my filter so little baby fry won't be able to get sucked up. And in these cups, I have a bunch of betta fry, and right now it was just after feeding time, so you can see a bunch of the baby brine shrimp swarming at the top towards the light. You can also see the baby betta fry moving around, zooming around, trying to catch them, or maybe they've already finished eating, so they're kind of just chilling. On the walls over here, wait, let me bring this closer so you guys have a better look. On the walls over here, you can see these little white dots, and it looks like a gelatinous capsule over them. These are the snail eggs that I have from the snails inside these cups. They help to clean the waste that the baby fry don't eat. You can see them zoomed. Well, you can see the baby fry moving around, and actually this one right there, see the one that's shaking its tail right in the middle of the screen? That's an angelfish fry. The way you can tell the difference is, so he's in the back now, he's kind of zooming towards us, and he just turned to the right, but he is very, very lively. You can see he's moving around everywhere, just exploring, right? That's an angelfish fry. And if you can see these guys that are like kind of chilling, don't really move as much, these are the betta fry. So that's how you can tell. So this guy right up here, these guys right here, they're all bettas. Really, really cute. I really love them. Okay, so in my other tank, or in my other cup, I have a bunch more brine shrimp. Probably fed a little bit too much, but I'm gonna have to siphon this out with a straw later. But you can actually see a bunch of the baby betta fry. These are more bettas, and this is from the second spawn, so this one actually got a lot more than the first one, and these are actually smaller because they've only hatched, I think, about a week. They're already eating the baby brine shrimp. You can see their stomachs are a little orange, which means that they did eat. I know it's kind of hard to see right now, but there's a lot at the top. Just zooming around. Oh no. There. Isn't that neat? These guys make me so happy. See that? They're everywhere and just moving around. So cute. Alright guys, that does it for the video. If you guys want to know how I breed my bettas, then please comment below and I'll try to make another video. Thank you.